Good afternoon friends, welcome to Nifty Times Now. In the previous video, we have seen which is not the constant point for an intraday trader to enter into the trade. So we have seen some three strategies. One is the trend line, which is not constants, and we have moving average, and we have the Fibonacci, like where there is a retracement is happened from A to B, there is a retracement happen. But for an intraday trader, these are all the strategies which is not constant. It's keep on changing because as and when the market sentiment changes, these levels keep on changing. So this is not a constant point for any intraday traders to take any decision. So today we are going to see another topic from this ebook, which is the constant point to for an intraday trader to enter into the trade. So we see this from the ebook what they are trying to explain. So in this ebook they are showing they marked the day high of the day, previous day high, previous day close, and previous day low. So what they're trying to explain here in this ebook is, so these are all the points which is constant, it doesn't change. That's what they're trying to say. As in for an intraday trader, this is very important. We need a constant point for us to take a decision whether we want to take the trade on the upside or on the downside. In a terminology is called we want to go into a bullish or for a bearish, or else in a P side or in a C side. So it's clearly mentioned that is the previous day doesn't change. If you go to do a back test, okay, for a period of 6 months or 1 year, these are all the points: previous day high, previous day low, previous day close. It doesn't change at all. So for an intraday trader, these points, these are the constant points, like it doesn't change. So from these points, if at all we want to go into the trade, this will help the intraday trader to make a decision. Okay, we go into the chart and see and try to mark this previous day high low and see what is happening. Okay, I am in the Nifty 50 chart with 5 minutes time frame. So I'm just trying to mark the previous day high. That is 9th, 8th. We keep on marking this for 4 or 5 days. Okay, first I try to mark the previous day high for this. Can you see this? Control is it? Okay, I'll just try to mark. So this is a previous day high. Okay, is on 9th. Okay, now we are trying to mark the previous day low. Okay, the low is marked. Okay, same way we try to mark for the previous to previous day, that is on 8th we try to mark the previous day high. So this will be your previous day low. Okay, so same way we try to mark for one more day. This is the previous day low. Okay, so what they're saying, these are all the levels which doesn't change, it's a constant. So for an intraday trader, these are all the levels which is important for us to take a decision. Okay, also we try to mark the previous day close also. As per the ebook, they said, okay, mark the previous day close. Okay, because for this the previous day close will be on the green candle. So this will be the previous day close. Okay, and this is also previous day close. Okay, and this will be your previous day close. So what they're trying to say, if you consider this is the previous day high. So when it breaks the next day, if it breaks above this, the market goes up. Okay, and if you see the previous day low, I am extending this previous day low like this. Okay, you can see when this is breaking the previous day low, the market goes up. Okay, and sometimes it breaks out, it is a failure and it goes up. So we can take a decision only at this point. As for the intraday trader, these points are all constant points where we can take our decision. You got it? So this is what they're trying to explain in this book. And also one more thing they are trying to explain here is, we should not take any decisions other than these points, like in between these. So I'm coming to this chart. We should not take any decision like it is within this levels, in between levels. So for an intraday trader, so previous day high low and previous day close is an important point, which is a constant point where intraday trader can a decision to enter into the trade. Either we see a breakout is happening. Okay, see now I extend these levels to this. Okay, this is a previous day. For this ninth, I'm going to trade for the ninth. Can you see it has break the previous day high and the market is going up. So when it comes to the previous day high, again a decision happens, again it is going up. So same way, like you can I explained. Okay, you can see this one also. This is a previous day high. I'm extending to the next day. Okay, same way, previous day low, previous day. So in this case, if you say the market is in between, so on this day 7th of August, so there is no clear direction for an intraday trader where to take a decision, because it is trading in between these two levels. We do know until it comes to this level only we can take a decision whether the breakout is failure, then we can go for a downside, or if it is breaking at the previous day low, we can go for a put side. So it's clear, friends. That is what they're trying to explain. So hope this video helps you to understand, to correlate between the previous chapter, like which is not a constant point for an intraday trader. That is, whenever you as an intraday trader, whichever strategy you use, try to see the constant points and take a decision. So why they are using this previous day high and low is our constant points. If you can change these charts into any time intervals, these levels will not get changed. So I'm just showing now it is a 5 minutes. I'm changing it to a day candle, and if you see the levels which is marked, it's all high low. Okay, I'm changing this to 1 hour time frame. Also, if you can see, the levels which is marked doesn't change. So that is why these are all the constant points, where for an intraday trader it is very important to use these constant points and take decisions to enter the trade. Hope this video help you to understand from the previous video and this. So in the next video we'll come up with the next topic from the ebook. So one by one we'll be releasing one video. Thank you guys for your patience. I hope this video will help you to understand more and do your trading. Thank you.